Once you receive the email from the admissions office confirming your admission, you can then log into your account to pay the semester fees. Go to campus.iou.edu.gm. Here you will be able to log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you can then pay the semester fees by visiting the fees link here. As with paying the registration fee, paying the semester fees can also be done two ways: online payment by card and offline payment by bank. For instructions on how to use these two options, please refer to the video on how to pay the registration fees. Please note that if you pay online by card, you can enroll in your respective courses immediately. If you choose to pay offline via bank wire transfer, you will need to wait approximately 72 hours for the transaction to be processed. Once the transaction is processed and confirmed, you should receive an email. Once you receive the email confirmation, you then will be free to enroll in your respective courses. To continue with the online payment by card option, you will need to click the link here. Once clicking the link, you will be brought to the online payment screen. Here you need to select the semester in which you are enrolling. Be careful to select either the spring or fall of the year in which you are enrolling. Once you select the correct semester, you then need to take note of the number of courses you would like to enroll in. You have the option to choose between 1 to 3 courses, 4 to 6 courses, or 7 to 9 courses. Select the appropriate number of courses for you. Then you can proceed to continue to pay. You can continue to pay by clicking the link here. This will bring you to the payment details screen. Your payment details will be based on your country of origin, as well as number of courses you decide to enroll in, and also the program in which you are studying. Once you have taken note of the payment details, you can then proceed to pay the fees by clicking on the link here. This will bring up the Strike payment application. It should send a verification code to your phone or email. You will then need to type this verification code in order to proceed. From here, the procedure is the same as the paying the registration fees, so please refer to the video on how to pay the registration fees for further instruction.